Hi, Tiger from RobotDigg again. Here, let's check out the stock of the Reflow ovens. Here you can see the part number is T937M. Here, all this. Is also the T937M. Okay. All of this. Here, from here is the T962A plus. Here is the you can find the voltage is 110. So all this are for the US market, I think. Okay, also you can find the T937, which is also 110 voltage for the US market or Canada. Here is the small size or older version T962. Okay. The larger size T962A. Also the older version. Okay. So here you can find there are thousands of reflow ovens in stock for quick response. And also you can find all of these reflow ovens on RobotDigg. Okay. So let's check out the T961 and the T960E 0W in stock. Here you can find because of the size, we pack it in the wooden case instead of the smaller size in cartons. Okay, so you can find this small size, and this one is the T960E type, which we recommend for the worldwide users. But you have to consider other version because of the size. If you can ship by sea or that will depends on if you want to ship them by sea or by air or by couriers. Thanks. Here is all of this in Puhui technology. Thank you.